Hi, it's Kieran with your latest tech update. You've heard so much about it. Are you keen to harness the power of AI for your business? If you are, you must also address the trust gap. While you see AI as an opportunity, your employees might be worried their jobs are at risk. New figures say 62% of executives welcome AI, but only 52% of employees do. 23% of employees doubt their company's commitment to them when introducing AI. But 70% of leaders believe that AI should work alongside humans, not replace them. How do you bridge this gap? Start with conversations about why AI is a friend and not foe. Invest in training to demonstrate how it can make people's roles more interesting, and involve your employees in the implementation. AI isn't a threat to job security. It's a tool for growth and innovation. We can help you introduce it in the right way. Get in touch. That's your tech update. More next week.